Hey guys, this is Jerry. In this video we're going to quickly show you the all new MGHS plug-in hybrid. This is the Excite vehicle. So Excite is the sort of the lower entry model they have introduced in New Zealand and Australia. So in New Zealand this vehicle is currently retailed at 51,990 drive away with a 7 years warranty and all that information. And yeah, this is how the vehicle looks like from outside. In New Zealand, you're also getting the government rebate at the moment for plug-in hybrid brand new vehicles, which is $5,750. So pretty much you're getting this car for sort of around $46,000 in total equivalent. And if you're looking to purchase one of these, please contact me. My name is Jerry. I will leave my email address down below, jerry@ebbett.co.nz. We are a dealership in Auckland. We have two sites. One is Ormiston, which is going to open soon on 9th of July, and Ebbett, Pukekohe, which is in South Auckland. And do not forget to subscribe and to like the channel if you're interested in any other videos. So at the front we have LED daytime running lights and the standard halogen light. We have a 17-inch alloys with Maxxis tires, so comfortable tires, nothing too sporty. Chrome surround, chrome window trims, and chrome door handles. So all the decoration on the side, just as a new car. We also have LED tail lights reflection. It's very nice looking tail lights. Two exhaust pipes, parking sensor at the back, and also reverse camera. And on the left we have the fuel tank, and then on the right hand side we do have the charge unit. So that's your charging port. It supports Type 2 charger, by the way. So let's have a look at the back. So open the boot. This is manual tailgate, by the way. Only on the Essence, the top spec, you're getting the automatic tailgate. So we get about 460 liters of boot space on this vehicle. Enough space. You can drop the seats if you need to. You can take the cover off if you need to. And we don't have a spare wheel, by the way. We do have the fixing tools for your emergency needs, and a charging port. So that's a 3-pin household socket, and that will charge the vehicle in about 8 hours from 0 to 100%. Alright, drop that. Let's have a look at the back. So we still have the full leather seats, and this is synthetic leather, so man-made leather, I should say. We don't have the sunroof. Again, only on the Essence we are getting the sunroof. But nice thing, we still have 2 charging ports at the back, air vents at the back for the rear passengers, and we do have a very premium, nice finish armrest, just like that, and a holder for your storage space, everything. So that's quite handy. And the seats is reclimbable, so you can push it forward, backwards. So the 2 position. We'll get these nice pockets. That's the lumbar support for the driver seats. So yeah, everything's quite nice. 6-speaker sound system for the MGHS plug-in hybrid, by the way. So on the driver side we have keyless entry and keyless start. So as soon as the vehicle is locked, your window will automatically go in, and that unlocks as long as you have the key with you all the way. And this is how the car key looks like. On the driver side we have electric seats, same as the passenger side, so that's nice. We do have a manual lumbar support, as we mentioned. At the front you're still going to have the same synthetic leather seats from top to bottom. It's soft, it's nice, it hugs you well, so that's good. And let's jump in. So for the drivetrain, specification wise, the vehicle does come with a 4-cylinder 1.5 liter turbo petrol engine at the front, and we do have a 16.6 kWh battery at the back, so that allows you to drive on pure EV for 62 kilometers, up to 62 kilometers. Real world you're probably getting 50 to 60 k's. Excuse me. And power wise, combined we are getting 189 kilowatts and 360 newton meters, so that will allows this vehicle to sprint from 0 to 100 k's per hour in about 6.9 seconds. So that's really fast in comparison the Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross PHEV. That's a very hard name for me, and we'll only do that in 8.5 seconds, something like that. Where to the RAV4 hybrid we'll do that in 8 something seconds as well. So yeah, this car overall, this car is very fast, as you can tell, and it's got plenty of power to go. Start the vehicle up. We notice this standard MG steering, so it's going to be pretty much the same as you notice all the MG range, ZS, ZST, HS plug-in hybrid, so it's all the same. But the most important part, we get full digital dash even on the base model. So it's a sort of 10 to 12 inch display. They're not categorizing how large it is, but you do have all the information, battery information, petrol information. We can go left and right to change all your things. You change your display. You can go up and down to check all your trip odometer, check all your tire pressure monitoring system. So yeah, there's a complete system behind this vehicle. We do have cruise control lever just down there, so that's a little bit different from other cars maybe, but it's individual switch on the left. And in terms of safety features, we do have adaptive cruise control, auto headlights, and auto high beam assist. We also have other things like pre-collision warning, emergency braking, speed assist systems, and lane assist systems, plus MG Pilot traffic assist, and rear driving assist, which is your blind spot detection, which is located inside the A-pillar. So yeah, there's tons of features that's available on this vehicle for safety systems. What we call it's MG Pilot assistance systems. And in the middle we have a 10-inch display, so that's exactly the same as all the other HS, with navigation inbuilt, 2-zone climate control, and heated seats on both sides, video control, and also phone connection, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto as standard. Yeah, so complete feature. And put on reverse. This is how the reverse camera looks like. We do have parking sensors and just reverse camera, just like that. Park. So underneath we have 2 USB charging ports and other direct buttons for your aircon, for your music, all that things. And here's a light. EV mode, you can switch to EV and auto whenever you like to drive on either just hybrid or just pure electric. Handbrake, auto hold, just like that. Cool. So this is pretty much all about this vehicle in terms of its size, in terms of its other functions. Storage on the side, two cup holders, and take this out as well, and some storage for your phones, for your pens or anything like that. And that's another storage over here. You have a cover, it looks nice, and this can be covered as well. Yeah, I think that's pretty much all about this vehicle. Again, if you're interested in purchasing this vehicle in New Zealand, specifically in Auckland, we are Ebbett MG dealership. We have a dealership in Ormiston, Flatbush, East Auckland, or another dealership in Pukekohe, which is South Auckland. If you want to purchase one from me, my name is Jerry. I'll leave my email address down below. It's jerry@ebbett.co.nz. My direct phone number is 027 230 4811. So thanks for staying by, and subscribe and like, and enjoy the video. I will see you next one. Thank you.